Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can reactivate your Etsy account, so let's get right into it. Now, your Etsy account might be deactivated for a couple of different reasons. You might be suspended or anything of the sort if Etsy has seen you breaking any sort of terms and service agreement, if you've deactivated it yourself, or simply if you are inactive, Etsy will automatically pause your account, and when you actually become reactive, it'll reactivate by itself pretty much, but that is pretty much outside of your purview. You cannot manually restart it and relaunch it once you get paused by Etsy themselves. If you get paused, you're just going to need to contact their support, and they should be able to help you with everything else. Now, if you've closed down your own account, or if you've paused your account, for example, if I go into account settings and scroll all the way down, there is an option for pausing or deactivating your account. If you close it, all you have to do is just log back in to reactivate it, and that is pretty much it. And other than that, as I've mentioned, if you get banned or deactivated by Etsy, you're going to need to go to your email, where you'll get an email with all your mistakes that you've made, or any invalid information, or everything that needs to be valid in order for you to not be in a breach of terms and services. Once you fix all of the problems there, then you'll be able to easily just reactivate your account, contact support, and that should be pretty much it. Now, of course, you can contact support for any information regarding your case, whether it be if they've deactivated you for breaching of rules or for inactivity. You just need to contact them, and then they'll sort everything out. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.